The Amazon Web Services Solution Architect course offered by eGain Technologies is a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the field of cloud computing. This course is specifically tailored to meet the demands of the ever-evolving technology landscape and provides a deep understanding of Amazon Web Services and its various components. Through a combination of theoretical concepts and practical hands-on exercises, participants will gain a solid foundation in AWS architecture, infrastructure, and services. The course covers a wide range of topics, including cloud computing fundamentals, virtualization, networking, storage, security, and scalability. One of the key highlights of this course is to simplify complex concepts and make them more accessible to learners. It helps in better understanding and retention of information, allowing participants to grasp the intricacies of AWS with ease. By the end of the course, participants will be proficient in designing, deploying, and managing scalable, highly available, and fault-tolerant systems on AWS. They will also be well-versed in cost optimization strategies, security best practices, and performance optimization techniques. Whether you are an IT professional looking to enhance your skills or a business owner aiming to leverage the power of cloud computing, the AWS Solution Architect course from eGain Technologies is the ideal choice. With its comprehensive curriculum, hands-on approach, this course will empower you to become a proficient AWS Solution Architect and unlock a world of opportunities in the realm of cloud computing.